Alex. I apologize.
I was able to get it from Alex.
Awesome. You
Yes,
guys,
so we're all set.
thank you.
Okay, thanks
Thank
again.
you.
Take
Bye.
care. The next case will be TR Preserve versus Lil. Last four numbers are 1129.
Good morning, Your Honor. Anna White, attorney for the plaintiff.
Hello, Ms. White.
Good morning.
Do we have Mr. or Ms. Lil here today?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, hello.
Hi.
Let me swear the witnesses in. Do each of you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ms. White, do you have an agent or someone who's going to testify, or are you going to answer what is the situation here?
I can run us through the case to start, Your Honor, if that's okay.
Okay, this is an unpaid rent and lease violation, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, let me confirm the rent is 1608. Is that correct?
Correct.
And the rent was November prorated through today at 1867. Is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Let's see. The record shows that the notice was posted outside the door. Is that correct?
It was posted outside the door in an envelope, and it was also sent by mail on November 2nd of this year.
Why was it posted outside the door?
If I could call my plaintiff's witness, Ms. Taylor Hubbard. She's on the call and she delivered that notice.
Okay, go ahead.
Ms. Hubbard, can you hear me okay?
Hi, I'm here.
Okay,
Yes.
what is her name?
Taylor Hubbard.
Hubbard? Miss Hubbard, let me swear you in. Do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Ms.
Okay,
Hubbard, I'm sorry.
go ahead. Go ahead.
Did you deliver the notice to vacate on November 2nd of this year?
Yes, I did.
And you posted that outside the door and also sent it by mail that same day?
Correct.
Is that because you reasonably feared for your safety if you were to deliver that notice to the inside of the door?
This is correct.
Okay, thank you. That's all I have for Ms. Hubbard on the notice to vacate, Your Honor.
Okay, why did she fear for her safety?
Your Honor, due to the voluminous amount of conduct that has occurred since September of 2023, Ms. Lil's actions have, both to the property and on-site staff and other residents, made them reasonably fear for their safety. And Ms. Hubbard, can you confirm that that is correct?
That is correct.
Oh, why did y'all not include that issue in the notice to vacate?
The notice to vacate was delivered for non-payment of rent, Your Honor, and that is the basis of this eviction, but we also included in our petition the additional conduct as reasons for why they will not be accepting any further payment. And in the notice to vacate, the important factor is that the non-payment of rent and that back due rent was included, but Texas law doesn't actually require them to include and list all reasons for eviction in the notice to vacate.
Okay. All right. Anything else?
We'll wait for Ms. Lil to respond, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Ms. Lil, did y'all want to respond? Are the Lils still here?
Yes, we're here. We're just conversing. One moment, please.
Yeah, okay, go ahead. We're mainly concerned about the non-payment of rent.
Yes, so I guess to address the main concern of the non-payment of rent, I have email correspondence and voicemail recordings. I was locked out efficiently or effectively of all ways to pay my rent. And I have an email here in response to my email on November 2nd, emailing them saying I'm trying to pay my rent. I'm locked out of all ways on my online portal, as well as I went in person to Walmart to pay via a payment coupon, which I've done in person before for months prior. And I have here screenshots of the screen of Walmart saying that they're not accepting my payment at this time. So I was effectively locked out of all ways of payment to pay my rent. And I have an email here from Kenneth Sutz on the call here, community manager, saying, we will be proceeding with evictions for non-payment and we will not be able to accept any money from you at this time. if you have any questions, you can reach out to legal.
That the payment portal is locked.
And so the payment portal was locked as well as the in-person option via the payment coupon at Walmart, Your Honor.
And that started on November 2nd.
Yes, because we were all locked out of, we have received communication from the Preserve at Travis Creek that their rent online portal, like to pay rent, was down, or like, so no resident, according to their communication. Or I guess some could pay, but either way, their online portal to pay rent was down on the 1st. They sent out communication on the 2nd that it was available to pay. And so then I proceeded with those attempts through the online portal and then in person at Walmart to pay via the payment coupon, which was rejected. I tried that twice and I have that on record. I have the screenshots of the screen at Walmart showing as such. I returned from in person at Walmart to find the notice to vacate on my door.
Okay, all right.
Your Honor, to respond to that, we did deliver or submit a copy of the lease as Plaintiff's Exhibit 1, and pursuant to that lease, paragraph 3 states that rent is due on the 1st of the month every month with no exceptions, and not paying rent on the 1st of the month is a material breach of lease. And then just below that, paragraph 3.2 states that after the due date, my apologies, the plaintiff does not have to accept late payment of rent. And if I could call my plaintiff's representative, Kenneth Sutz and Taylor Hubbard, they're not accepting late rent at this time because of that, Your Honor, because paragraph 3.2 expressly allows them the ability to not accept late rent. And there have been extreme conduct violations of lease, and they do not wish to continue Miss Lil's tenancy, and they have the ability to terminate her lease due to the non-payment of rent as well as those lease violations, Your Honor.
But what if the portal was down though? How are they supposed to pay rent if the portal is down?
Your Honor, I can call my plaintiff's representative, but the portal was not down on November 1st. They did shut off Miss Lil's access on December 2nd after the rent was late. And pursuant to paragraph 3.2, again, after the due date, they do not have to accept late payment. And paragraph 3.1 also states that they can require payment by any method that they specify, and they did not wish to accept late rent from Miss Lil on November 2nd.
This is just not right, counsel. This is just not right. I'm sorry. You put the notice to vacate out there with no violations of actions, just the late payment. She couldn't get on the portal on the date to make the payment. There's got to be a better way.
Your Honor,
I just want, this is kind of,
You
I
just
just
put the
wanted
notice
to.
No, everybody
interject.
stop talking. Everybody stop talking. This is just not right. I'm entering a
portal was
judgment that
augmented, Your
plaintiff
Honor.
take nothing. Everybody stop talking. This is just not right. Each party has at least 5 days to appeal. I'm entering a judgment that plaintiff take nothing.
Your Honor,
Thank
may we ask for a continuance in this case to allow time for residents to come testify? They previously did not wish to come testify at this hearing
The
due
notice
to.
to vacate doesn't say anything about activities council, and I know you're saying that the law says it doesn't have to, but in a situation like this, people should be given notice as to why they're being outed, not some technicality where they weren't able to pay the rent and then you evict them for not paying rent. That's simply not right, counsel. Thank you very much for appearing, counsel. I appreciate you and the testimony you presented. And the Lils, thank you for appearing. I hope that everyone has a pleasant day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your
Thank you.
Honor.